Ladies and gentlemen, the man known as the world's greatest hypnotist, the man who has hypnotized thousands, the man who can heal with just one touch, was not available. Instead, put your hands together and give a warm welcome to Billy T.
You know, personally, I choose to live 5 more years. If you were given the choice of living 5 more years of an amazing full throttle life as opposed to another 50 years full of anxiety and worry and dread, what would you choose? Like me, I bet most people would choose to live it up and go out in style. Living in fear with constant anxiety is just, it's not the right choice. Let's face it, we have no control over the quantity of our life, but we can control the quality of our life. You do have a choice. You can choose to confront and change the bad memories of your past that are controlling your day-to-day life today. If you change the past, you change your future. Change those bad memories, and you change your life.